welcome to the Shelly Studio. Today I am just playing around. I wanted to do a little bit of watercolor, so I just pulled out this sketchbook. It's actually mixed media paper, not watercolor paper, but it works okay. And I just thought I would paint around the edges, give it a little border, and then just play and see where I end up with. As you see in the thumbnail photo, I create some flowers, which are imaginary, out of my head kind of flowers, which are always fun, and you never know how they're going to turn out. So I'll play some music and put the song fast forward, and I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. So there it is. What do you think? Just having a little fun. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Share it, leave me a comment, and if you'd like to see more from me, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.